Welcome to ResourceONE, Limestone University's online ordering system for departmental stationery and promotional needs. During this tutorial, we will provide users of ResourceONE a step-by-step process on how to sign into the ResourceONE portal, how to select products for your department, how to check out and complete orders, and how to maintain your ResourceONE profile and order manager. The ResourceONE web portal is maintained by ImageMark Business Services, Incorporated. ImageMark will fulfill all Limestone University orders from the portal. To open the ResourceONE portal, enter www.limestone-r1.com in the address bar of your web browser. At the login page, enter your user ID, which is your Limestone University email address, and password. The first time you log in, you will be required to change your password and select a security question. Your new password must be at least 8 characters in length, with at least one number, one capital letter, and one other character. Click Save and Continue when finished. To reset a lost password, click Forget My Password on the login page, enter your user ID, and answer your security question. Enter your new password and confirm. A successful login directs you to the catalog page. Navigation links are at the top of the page. Note that you can return to the catalog page at any time by clicking the catalog link in the navigation bar. A navigation column on the left allows you to switch between products without returning to the main catalog page. To view a product, click on the folder name. Once you have selected your department folder, a list of products are available for your marketing and operational material needs. Select your product of interest by clicking on the product name. A new page will open providing you with a preview of the product, a brief description of the product, and a cost per quantity table. Select a quantity option and add it to your shopping cart. The cart link directs you to the shopping cart. Note, the quantities can be updated without returning to the catalog. To save products in your cart to a list for later ordering, click Save Cart Items to List button. Select whether you like to move or copy products from the active cart and assign a name to your shopping list. You can also save more items to an existing list, or you can entirely replace a saved list. To add products on your shopping list to the shopping cart, click the Saved tab and show the desired shopping list in the drop-down menu. Select the checkbox beside the desired product and click the Add Selected to Cart button. To remove products from either the active cart or saved shopping list, click the red trash can icon to the left of the product. To proceed with shipping, return to Current Cart and click the Checkout button. At the shipping screen, note that the UPS ground shipping for your department is your default method. If necessary, select another shipping method and click Recalculate. Click Continue to move on the billing screen. Verify your information is correct and click Complete Order. A confirmation email will be sent to you. Your user profile is available in the upper right corner of the screen. Select My Profile to access your password, security question, and address book. Select Order Manager in the navigation bar to access previous and active orders. Searches can be filtered by SKU, description, order number, or status. A date range is required for each search. To view details of a previous order, click the magnifying glass icon. To reorder individual products from a previous order, select a checkbox beside the desired product and click the Reorder Selected Items button. A new shopping cart will be created containing all of the selected products from a previous order. To duplicate a previous order, select the checkbox beside the desired order and click Reorder Selected Items button. A new shopping cart will be created containing all of the products from the selected order. Remember to log out when you are finished. ResourceONE, Limestone University's online resource site, is administered by ImageMark Business Services, Incorporated. For ResourceONE order or tech support, please contact Nancy Falls by phone at 980-251-1722 or by email at nancy.falls@imagemarkonline.com.